Our people set us apart for sure. It's just been a real pleasure to work with all of our great employees and our great clients over the years.
MTech was founded in 2002. Our goal from the beginning was to build a great company with a great reputation.
So I think there was the sense of knowing that we were going to build something greater. It's going to become something special.
MTech Mechanical is a full-service mechanical contractor. Doing design build, design assist work is our passion.
And we focus on building relationships through the design build process.
We bring experience, we bring technical expertise, we bring ethics and honesty.
It's not a fancy saying, but here we have a saying that every employee understands. It's get asked back. And what that means is doing the right thing for our clients.
We build a business based on sustaining relationships over a long period of time.
As a co-founder, it's been very humbling for me. We had tremendous support from our clients from day one.
We've really become very diverse in our product type. We're in lab buildings, medical, office buildings, multifamily.
We have a tremendous base of repeat customers, which tells me that they're pretty loyal to us just as we are to them.
It's all about the people. MTech gets that.
Safety is our top priority each and every day.
I think the key to that is everybody looking out for everybody else on our job sites every day.
Our culture really is promoting from within and our people to empower them.
If you have potential and you want to move up and you love what you're doing, they let you grow here.
So it's a great place to hang your hat.
You can feel it, and I'm told you can feel it when you walk down the halls. You hear laughter, you hear communication. When people are enjoying what they do, it makes for a great environment.
It's family, friends. It's special, it's good work, it's quality work. That's what MTech is, to me.
I'm very proud of what we've accomplished, and I'm also excited for where our next generation of leaders is going to take the company in the future.